Most torches lack the heat output to melt gold efficiently. I tested 5 torches for melting gold that actually reached the temperatures required for clean melts. What I found about flame consistency will prevent you from buying models that waste precious metal. Here we go. Starting off at number 5, this one gives you a truly complete setup. Right out of the box, we have the Nelyrho 6kg propane melting furnace. What caught my attention immediately was the dual crucible tong system. You get 2 different tongs designed for handling and pouring, which is something many kits skip. The inclusion of an oxygen torch alongside the main burner adds serious versatility for detail work or preheating. The main burner pushes 135,000 BTU through stainless steel construction. That's paired with a 30 psi adjustable gas pipe that gives you real control over flame intensity. That means you can dial in exactly the heat you need without wasting fuel or overheating your materials. Now, this next feature is what separates it from cheaper options. The integrated burner slope design maximizes flame circulation inside the furnace chamber. The 1-inch ceramic fiber insulation blanket wraps everything to keep heat where it belongs, so you're not dealing with long wait times or temperature drops mid-melt anymore. What's even better is that this arrives as a genuinely complete kit. You get the furnace, both tongs, crucible, graphite ingot molds, fire pad, heat-resistant gloves, and even PTFE tape for secure connections. It's designed for melting gold, silver, copper, aluminum, and glass. What really convinced me was the balance between professional-grade components and user-friendly design. The detailed manual walks you through setup, and everything you need is included to start your first melt safely. Keep in mind that this is a larger investment compared to basic torch setups, but you're getting professional capacity and features. Link is in the description. Next up at number 4. This one strips away the complexity and gives you direct control. We have the Tsum Propane Mapp torch kit with trigger start. What stood out immediately was the one-click ignition system. You're not fumbling with strikers or matches. When you need to work fast, just squeeze the trigger, and you're running. The 3.6-foot hose comes with a cylinder hook, and that changes how you work in tight spaces. You can hold just the torch head, while the tank stays secured nearby. The flow control knob sits right near the handle, so you're adjusting flame intensity without breaking your focus or repositioning your grip. Now, this next feature is what separates it from fixed position setups. The metal pressure regulation lets this flame burn in any direction. That means you can tilt, angle, or even invert the torch without losing consistent heat, so you're not repositing your workpiece constantly or straining to reach awkward angles anymore. The solid brass valve and stainless steel burner tube push flame temperatures up to 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit. That's well above gold's melting point. With enough margin for efficient, complete melts, the swirl flame design concentrates that heat exactly where you point it. What really convinced me was how this balances professional capability with straightforward operation. It works with standard CGA 600 cylinders, handles everything from precision soldering to full metal melts, and the trigger start removes one of the most frustrating parts of torch work. Keep in mind that you'll need to supply your own propane or Mapp gas cylinder separately. Link is in the description. Next up at number 3, this one brings professional-grade flame technology into a surprisingly compact package. We have the BLUEFIRE Mapp Trigger Start Torch Kit. What stood out immediately was the cyclone swirl flame design. The patent nozzle tip creates a concentrated vortex of heat that grips your workpiece instead of just washing over it. The difference is noticeable when you're trying to get consistent melts. The trigger start piezo ignition fires instantly without strikers or fuss. You get adjustable flame control right at your fingertips, and the torch head pushes 7,481 BTU per hour up to 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit. That means that you're melting gold efficiently without excess fuel waste or extended heating times. Now, this next feature is what separates it from basic torch setups. This kit actually includes a pre-filled 16.1-ounce Mapp gas cylinder. That's 14% more fuel content than standard cylinders you'll find elsewhere, so you're getting longer work sessions before needing to swap tanks. The torch head itself weighs just 229 grams and fits any US standard 1-inch fuel gas cylinder. It works with propane, Mapp, or Mapp Pro gas interchangeably. The lightweight construction means comfortable handling during extended brazing sessions without hand fatigue. What really convinced me was the combination of Taiwanese manufacturing quality and genuine versatility. From melting precious metals to hardening steel to glass beadwork, the cyclone flame delivers consistent, concentrated heat exactly where you point it. The complete kit approach means you're working right out of the package. Keep in mind that the compact design means this is a handheld torch, not a furnace setup, so you'll be actively holding it during your melts. Link is in the description. Next up at number 2. This one brings certified safety standards into a complete, ready-to-work package. We have the TURBOHEAT Professional Mapp Torch Kit. What caught my attention immediately was the CSA certification. This torch passed UL 147 standards testing, which means the safety features and build quality have been validated by an independent engineering society. That's not just marketing talk. It's documented proof that this tool meets strict safety requirements. The kit arrives with 2 pre-filled Mapp gas tanks at 14.1 ounces each. That's 99.99% purity propylene, with no propane odor and clean burning properties, so you're starting your first melt right away, without hunting for compatible fuel or dealing with chemical residue. Now, this next feature is what separates it from lightweight options. The construction is full metal and built for durability. The handle uses aircraft-grade cast aluminum, the burner tube is stainless steel, and both the fire outlet and bottle fitting are solid brass. That means this torch holds up under repeated high-heat use, without warping or degrading. The Super Swirl flame reaches 2552 degrees Fahrenheit, which puts it well above gold's melting point with room to spare. The turbo-accelerated flame cone delivers concentrated heat, exactly where you need it. You can melt hard metals efficiently, without excessive fuel consumption or extended heating times. The one-click trigger start gives you full auto ignition. With over 40,000 clicks lifespan, the flame control knob adjusts intensity precisely, and the flame lock button adds continuous burning mode, so you're not holding the trigger constantly. The pressure regulator and anti-flare design keep performance consistent, even when tilted or momentarily inverted. What really convinced me was the combination of certified safety and professional-grade components. In a complete kit, you get documented engineering validation, heavy-duty construction, and fuel compatibility with propane, Mapp, and Mapp Pro gases. Keep in mind that this is a handheld torch rather than a furnace setup, so you'll be actively holding it during your work sessions. Link is in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. And finally, number 1. This is where working freedom meets professional flame control, in a way no fixed torch can match. We have the BLUEFIRE self-igniting Mapp welding torch. What caught my attention immediately was the 3-foot hose system, paired with that cylinder clip. You're not locked into holding the gas tank while you work. The clip secures the cylinder to your bench or nearby surface, so you're maneuvering just the torch head, with complete mobility around your workspace. That changes everything when you're melting larger pieces or working in tight positions. The patented Super Swirl flame tip drives a turbo cyclone flame that actually resists blowout during movement. The combustion system cuts brazing time by 30% compared to standard flame designs. That means you're reaching gold's melting point faster and holding consistent heat exactly where you need it, without repositioning constantly, so you're not wasting fuel or extending melt times anymore. Now, this next feature is what separates it from every other torch we've looked at. The pressure-regulated brass valve maintains consistent flame performance, even when you tilt or momentarily invert the torch head, so you're not fighting gravity or losing heat mid-melt. When you need to reach difficult angles around larger pieces or complex pours, the ergonomic handle integrates a built-in trigger start system. No strikers, no matches, just squeeze and ignite. The adjustable flame control knob sits right at your fingertips for instant heat adjustment without breaking your rhythm. The kit includes a 16.1-ounce Mapp gas cylinder with 14% more fuel than standard tanks, giving you longer sessions right out of the box. What really convinced me was how this solves the core limitation of handheld torches. Without requiring a full furnace setup, you get professional-grade mobility, the safety of a separated fuel source, and concentrated cyclone flame technology that handles medium to large copper and metal work efficiently. Keep in mind that the hose adds setup time compared to direct mount torches, but the working freedom is absolutely worth it. Link is in the description. Now you know which torches reach gold's melting point consistently, without wasting precious metal or dealing with temperature drops mid-melt. For full furnace capacity and complete setup, go with number 5 for maximum working mobility. With professional flame control, number 1 is your choice. For certified safety, with heavy-duty construction, check number 2. Metal working equipment prices fluctuate with demand, so check the links in the description now.